Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be discussing a new milestone set by the Internet Computer Protocol, and I'm going to explain why I am bullish on the Internet Computer, and we're going to go through some of the metrics of the blockchain that you will probably be interested to understand and know about, especially if you are a holder or looking into this asset to hold on to during the bull run. Don't forget to give this video a free thumbs up. We upload every single day of the year to bring you the latest happening in the financial world. So also hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and you could also follow me over on x.com/the Cryptoviser, link down below in the description of this video. And remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Dominic, the founder of Internet Computer and Dfinity, the company behind the Internet Computer Protocol's development, wrote on X earlier this weekend, the Internet Computer passed 3 billion blocks. It's probably now processed substantially more blocks than all the other blockchains combined. It is a beast. And I would agree, Dominic, Internet Computer is a beast with over 3 billion blocks now processed on the chain. Keep in mind, many of these other blockchains, they have millions or tens of millions of blocks produced. And this shows, especially on the longer running blockchains, that they have a very slow block processing time. And this, for especially high compute areas of computing, right, like AI, you need fast, very fast deployment and very fast block production, one would imagine at least. And so now, as you guys can see, this is running in real time. You can go to dashboard.internetcomputer.org if you want to see this dashboard for yourself. And you can see very, very fast block production. Currently, when I'm recording this video, about 40 blocks per second. Many other blockchains, like if we were to compare ICP to, let's say, Cardano, Cardano runs about 3 blocks per minute, approximately 3 to 4 blocks per minute, and it significantly less transactions per second. Now, while the Cardano community will argue the EUTXO model has more transactions, but it's not counted as transactions, whatever, it's less transactions per second. I mean, even if we just look at the transaction processing on the Internet Computer, we're currently in a live display, 5,335 transactions per second. And in the last 90 days, the peak was 19,679 transactions per second, which I would argue is more throughput than all of the top 25 blockchains, and potentially most of them even combined. I mean, we know block production on Bitcoin is slow, Ethereum is slow-ish. Even on the layer 2s, while it's a little bit faster than the layer 1s, still not as fast, clearly, as the Internet Computer as displayed here. And you could see the ETH equivalent transactions, if they were processing, if Internet Computer was actually on the Ethereum blockchain, it would be 293,000 transactions per second based on the average instructions per transaction that are deployed. So you can clearly see that Internet Computer is superior, right? I mean, that should be very clear. And so from a price perspective, when I'm recording this video, Bitcoin is about 68,000. The total market cap of crypto is about $2.6 trillion. And so at a $2.6 trillion, Internet Computer's price is about $18, which is significantly higher than the low of $2.93 for the cycle. But the market cap is still extremely low, $8 billion. And for what we are already seeing in live demonstrations, put on by Dfinity and Dominic over at Dfinity Foundation on the processing power of AI compute on the Internet Computer that's already in deployment, this should be very clear that the future of ICP is huge and the potential is there as well, right? Whether they're going to be able to achieve everything that we hope for and everything that they say, that is up for debate. But the potential is there. And the fact that they already have a live product that they're able to show the world on how this is running and show that the blockchain is able to process this kind of compute data shows that there's a lot more potential, because the only way from there is up. I mean, if it wasn't even able to process that kind of information, it would be over. But we're just at the beginning. And so when I'm looking at all the cryptos, all the blockchains, all the potential AI related blockchains for compute of the AI, whatever it is. I mean, really, there's only a few blockchains that could probably process it, and one of them is Internet Computer. And so when we look at some of the other metrics within Internet Computer, I have had videos that we've put out on the circulating supply of Internet Computer. Also, if you click on neurons here on the Internet Computer dashboard, you could see that about 50% of all the circulating supply of Internet Computer, which is basically the full amount. I mean, the maximum supply is 516 million. The circulating supply is 461 million. So it's only about a 55 million ICP difference. And so I'm not really sure where those other ICP are. Are they in a treasury? Are they with the Definity Foundation? I'm not really sure, but it's almost fully distributed. And so it's less of a concern for me than some of the newer coins that we're seeing pop up with only 10% of the circulating supply compared to the maximum supply. That's a big difference. But yeah, 50% is locked, right? And most of this is locked for 8 years. When I'm recording this video, about 137 million ICP are locked for 8 years. And so those are going to be untouched for a very, very long time because they're in the staking mechanism for governance. And so that is less coins that are potentially going to be sold. We also know that there's a lot of people in the ICP from the beginning when it spiked up, when it was first launching on exchanges to $500, $600, $700, $800. A lot of my viewers even were buying at $200, $300, $400. And even at, in the low $100 range, people are still in the red. And so all of those holders, all of those buyers from those very, very high dollar amounts, they're also kind of coins that are not moving. Granted, some of them may be sold here and there just to get some liquidity out, but I would imagine most of those coins are just going to be sitting until they're in profit, and that we're not even at those numbers yet, right? Even to get to that $100 or $200 level, we're at a 5 or 10x from where we currently are before we'll start to see some sell-off just to break even on those positions in loss. And so that's the way that I'm analyzing the Internet Computer Protocol from a price perspective, from an investability perspective. Like I said, from the lows of 2023 of $2.90, these are actually all-time record lows, not just cycle lows, because Internet Computer started off so high in the dollar amount, right? I mean, for me, that was the buy moment. Granted, I wish I bought more, and that's probably what everybody always says, but this is going to be one of my longer-term holds. I definitely think $100 is cooked in the books for 2024, 2025 cycle. I could be wrong on this. This is just my opinion and my strategy and my thesis. So make sure you guys do your own research. That way you're making the right choices for your own investments, and don't make investments based on what I say, because I could be wrong on anything and everything that I say, right? These are just my opinions and my analysis of the market for my portfolio, not yours. Anyway, so that's kind of my view on Internet Computer. I am very bullish. This is one of the most bullish assets that I'm looking at. I mean, there are other cryptos that I'm going to be holding and trading during this market, but when I'm looking at like potential out of these top 50 coins for growth, I mean, Solana's already here. Ethereum's already here, right? Are they going to go up? Yeah, but that's a given, right? And how much is it going to go up? XRP, you guys know how I feel about that. I'm a little bearish on XRP, bearish on Cardano, at least for now. Dogecoin, how much is it going to go up? Big deal. Avalanche could still go up, but it's already in the top 10. Toncoin, nothing there, right? Shiba Inu, again, meme coin. So out of the top 15, half of these are not even serious, right? And then we got Polkadot, maybe Bitcoin Cash. What is it going to do? Chainlink, like not exciting. Tron, not exciting. Polygon, a little bit excited about. I've become less excited about Polygon because the price is just not moving compared to some other assets. I mean, even if you just compare Polygon to Tezos in that dollar range, Tezos has had more volatility than Polygon. And maybe that's what they're going for because it is one of the elite assets. It's the layer 2 for the layer 1 Ethereum. Who knows? But anyway, Polygon, I'm excited about. Internet Computer, I'm excited about. That's really it. I mean, maybe Near Protocol, even though they're copying Internet Computer. But that's it. The top 25, there's not that many coins that I'm excited about, like at all. And that doesn't mean the price is not going to go up. It just means for me personally, I'm not excited about it. There's nothing exciting to look forward to with these chains, at least in the medium term. And so the only ones really there is Polygon and Internet Computer. And for all the reasons that I've discussed just in today's video, let alone all the other videos that I've done. super bullish on Internet Computer Protocol. 3 billion blocks. How many other blockchains have that? According to Dominic, this is more than all the other blockchains combined. And for that, see you guys tomorrow. Invest responsibly. Do me a favor, give the video a free thumbs up on your way out. Also hit that subscribe button. Follow me on x.com/thecryptoviser. Link down below in the description. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Invest responsibly. Do your own research. And crypto on.